Hi, I'm Lauren, Fix the Car Coach, and today we're test driving the 2015 Toyota Camry. Now this is a 6-cylinder version and it's totally new both inside and out. As you can see, much better styling. I have to say Toyota did a great job. The interior is improved, the materials are improved, and the technology does better handling, better performance, and Toyota did a really good job. Now Toyota is in a very large market segment. This is the mid-size sedan, and the Camry's been around a long time and has a huge following. We still have some great crash test ratings, impressive fuel economy, and overall Toyota did a great job. But let's take a detailed look inside and see what it looks like from the inside out. Under the hood, we've got a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 268 horsepower, backed up with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Fuel economy, 25 miles to the gallon. That's combined, of course. Not too bad, but of course it all depends on how you drive. So let's take a look in the trunk. Just hold down the key fob, and you've got a huge trunk. Inside the trunk, it's carpeted. It has a mini spare and a pass-through 60/40 split. Because this is the XSE model, if you take a look at these very cool 18-inch machined alloy wheels with black painted accents, they really tried to step it up a bit, so I have to give Toyota a lot of credit. Also, the color of the car is a special order color known as Ruby Flare Pearl. However, the price on this special order color is a little bit on the high-end price side of $395. Headlights are an all-new design as well. LED high and low beams. One outrageous option. Illuminated sill plates. Alright, you might love your Camry, but do you love it to pay $300 extra for this option? I think that's a bit pricey. There are a lot of premium materials inside the vehicle. The new Alcantara type materials on both the seat and the door panels are not just comfortable, but they're nice looking as well, and nice soft touch. So this is Toyota's N-Tune package. It includes, of course, the typical audio, AM, FM, and XM, and you can add in all of your other good stuff. But besides the navigation, it has an app setup, as you can see. If you hit the apps under audio, you'll automatically get Bluetooth, of course, iHeartRadio, and you can add all the rest of them in and place them in the order that you want. Pretty nice. I have to say they did a great job. The cost of this bundle with a 7-inch high-resolution touchscreen with all the goodies under the sun, including the USB 2.0 port, is $805. The vehicle that I test drove had the advanced technology package, including pre-collision system, lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control, and automatic high beam as part of the advanced technology package. Test driving the vehicle, you immediately notice it has better pickup than the previous generation. In addition to that, it handles better, has better track on the road, better feel on the road. And I have to say, I'm overall impressed with not just the braking and the handling and the feel of the vehicle, but Toyota really did this vehicle one step better than the previous generation. The total price of my test vehicle was $35,768, which is, of course, the fully loaded version of an XSE. Yes, you can get a stripped-down version that has a smaller engine, has less goodies, but hey, if you're going to buy a Camry and this is going to be your daily driver, I always recommend getting the most safety that you can add. You can always add on cool stuff later and different wheels, but at least go with the maximum safety and the best performance. So remember one thing, that when you're purchasing this vehicle, always test drive it, see if it fits into your garage, and see if it fits into your lifestyle as well. Overall, in this very competitive category, Toyota still has a strong position with their brand new vehicle. Of course, the competition is doing the same thing. So I suggest you take everything for a test drive, never pay retail, look for the incentives, and if you're staying within the Toyota brand, ask for a loyalty discount. The Toyota starts at $22,000 with the LE model, followed by the SE model, both with 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engines. Then you step up to the XSE, which is a V6, or you can get the optional 4 or 6-cylinder in the XLE. Either way, the 2015 Toyota Camry has really improved both inside and out. The vehicle is more comfortable and the seating position is better. I think you should take one for a test drive and make your own judgment call. For more information on the 2015 Toyota Camry, go to my website at laurenfix.com or follow me on Twitter at laurenfix. We have a newsletter that's free, gives you all kinds of great reviews and great information to empower you. And hey, there's a lot of other great car reviews there too. Thanks so much for watching.